Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you been experiencing some trouble with your AirPods? Are they pausing on their own without any prompt or command from you? In this video, I will show you a few simple tips to resolve this issue on your iPhone. Let's go. First off, inspect your AirPods for any accumulation of dirt, debris, or dust. Over time, the presence of these particles can interfere with the device's sensors, potentially resulting in connection issues such as random self-pausing. Use any clean, dry, non-metal cleaning material to remove any dirt that may be present on your AirPods. You can also use a special cleaning clay. An unstable Bluetooth connection is another factor that could be causing this problem. To prevent this, here are some pointers you should remember. Firstly, make sure that your iPhone or any device where your iPods are paired with are within range of each other. Otherwise, it could cause a weak or unstable connection. Also, avoid placing them in or near any transmission blockers such as thick concrete walls, Wi-Fi routers, or satellite service cables. These objects could interfere with the signal, which can possibly cause your AirPods to pause unexpectedly. Secondly, try turning Bluetooth off and on. This simple procedure often resolves any connection glitch between devices. Aside from those, you can also try reconnecting your AirPods to re-establish the connection between the devices. To do this, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Tap on the I button beside your AirPods name and then press Forget this device. After a few seconds, reconnect them to your iPhone. Open the case with the AirPods inside and tap on Connect from the displayed prompt. Then, press and hold the button on the back of the case and wait until it connects successfully. If you've tried the previous solutions and the issue still persists, it might be best to reset your AirPods to their factory defaults as a last resort. This should eliminate any potential bugs that could be causing the problem. To learn how to do this, click on the tag in the upper right corner or find the link below. However, if the issue continues even after resetting your AirPods, it's possible that it could be a hardware-related problem. Perhaps you dropped your device, which could have caused internal damage. In that case, you should contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center to get more information and help with the situation. Hopefully, your device is still under warranty so that Apple can repair it for free. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.